Hey friends, if you encounter the error your IT administrator requires a security scan of this item, then please watch this video. Now, assuming that you're using a home computer, assuming that, here's what you have to do. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Now go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab, and then we'll have to find the option to create exclusions. Click on Manage Settings. Scroll down and then click on add or remove exclusions. Click on add an exclusion, and let's say that it was a specific file. So simply add that file here. Okay, now this will not be scanned by the virus, but only if you're sure that that file is safe, or folder, program, or whatever it is. But here's one more thing. Since it mentions your IT administrator, if the assumption is that this was a work computer, in that case, you will have to handle it accordingly. So how would you handle a work computer accordingly? You will have to contact the IT admin or the server admin of your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.